Hello everybody, something nice and simple today. Nat and I have been a bit busy, had something to do, so I thought I'd show you what I'm going to have. We're having some cheese on toast, done in the air fryer. So I've done cheese on toast last week, first time I'd had it in a long time. Delicious it was. So that's what we're going to have today, something nice and simple. As I say, we've been busy. Just got some cheap grated cheese, that's all. Some best of both there, bloomer, Worcester sauce, bit of marge or butter, whatever you're going to use. And I'm having egg on top of mine. Do like an egg on my cheese on toast. First thing I want to do, I'm going to get my air fryer on warming up. And we will get the bread buttered, or marged, or whatever you want to call it. Because I know people get triggered when you say that's not butter. I'll have a couple each, me and Nat. Get it buttered both sides. You want both sides buttered on your bread. Lovely. Get it buttered. Get it all buttered. Nice and simple. And it is filling actually. When I had it a week or two ago, I got greedy and I had 4. And it did kind of like, it was too much if you get what I mean. But I thought, oh, I had it for ages, I'm having 4, and it was, I really struggled. Because I was greedy, so I'm only having 2 this time. Get it all buttered. And you want your air fryer warm first, because when you put it in, it'll start cooking straight away, if you get me. I'm using the toast function on my air fryer. But you can just use the air fryer function if you need to. Nice and buttered. You want a bit of butter on there, or marge. I better say marge, Ben. No, I better say marge. There we go. That's done. I'm going to get them in the air fryer. As I say, I'm using my air fryer oven. You can just do it in a normal air fryer if you need to. Get them on. So I'll get all 4 in here in one go. Lovely. We'll get them in then until they start toasting. And while they're toasting away, I'm going to get my pan on. I'm just going to put it on low. They're going to be for my eggs. So get that pan heated up first. Okay, they're halfway done, which is good. What we want, we'll get them out. There they are, look, halfway. I'm just going to go back in it now with the cheese on top. Delicious. Put that on that butter there, a bit more butter won't hurt. We'll get some cheese on. Now I'm having Worcester sauce on mine, that's just having cheese. So she can have cheese on hers. I like to put my Worcester sauce on as the cheese is cooking, not at the end, if you get what I mean. Fill them all up, fill them all up. Loads of that cheese on there, look. You want that lot of cheese, don't you? There we go, Worcester sauce on mine too. We'll get them back in, and then we will get the eggs in. I already put my oil in, just to get my oil out. Nice and low with, nice and slow with my eggs. 2 eggs. 1 and 2, and a bit of shell. There we go, we'll let them do their things for a couple of minutes. Eggs are nearly done. I'm going to put a bit of pepper on mine, obviously to taste. About a minute, and about a minute for the good old cheese on toast. Okay, we're all done. Oh yeah, nice bit of cheese on toast. Hot, hot, hot. There's mine with the Worcester sauce. Ow. Oh. And there's Natalie's. Oh yeah. Oh yes, eh? I get a bit of egg on top of there now on mine. Here comes the egg. Boom. And a broken egg. Oh yeah. Something nice and simple, eh? Nice and simple. Right. Let's get up the table and eat it. Sometimes it's nice, isn't it, to have something nice and simple. And we had it, when was it last week? We had it, I think, weren't it? It was first time in ages, weren't it?
Yeah, it was.
Oh yeah, nice bit of egg on toast. Yeah?
Yeah, right.
Nice and simple. I didn't put any, last time I had it last week, I think it was, I put some onions and that on mine and tomatoes. I haven't this time. Something nice and simple for us today. I've only done 2, I say, not 4. I was too greedy last time. I haven't got any brown sauce, I just looked. Could have done with some brown sauce, but I ain't got any. So it'll do like that. Let me show you, let me see the egg. Got a bit of that in there. And get some of that egg in. That's what we want, that's what we want. Beautiful. I love a bit of cheese on toast with egg. I never used to have it with egg. I used to have cheese on toast before, years ago, but with the eggs, it's delicious. Some of this up, love.
I've got some on that, thank you.
Got some. So it's only a cheap budget one if it was cheap from Aldi. You want it strong, obviously you get your cathedral or something, don't you? Cathedral cheese or something, but the price you pay. Right, I'm going to go and eat it, guys. As I say, just something quick. We now had something on today. I am the old food guy. What do you call it? Cheesy egg on toast? No, eggy cheese on toast? I don't know. Cheese on toast with egg on top. Till next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.